Hello and welcome back to my channel. These are my Safiya Nygaard inspired nails. I really hope I'm pronouncing her last name right, but I don't think I am. Starting with the middle finger, you're going to need white polish and a small nail art brush. Draw a line from the corner of the nail and connect it to a loop. Then connect that loop to the other corner of the nail. Now fill in that space at the end of your nail with your darkest purple. Finally, go over the white lines with a silver polish. Moving on to the thumb. I know Safiya likes holographic things since she's friends with Christine, but my camera doesn't really show hollow things very well, so this is the best I can show you. The simplest thing I can do is tell you to draw an N, but make sure it's very thick and curls at the ends. Now we'll move on to the ring and the index finger. Start by drawing skinny lines diagonally across your bare nail with black polish. Now draw the same type of lines, but going in the opposite direction this time. Fill in the diamonds from bottom to top with the pinkish shade of purple to the darkest shade of purple. What do you think? Did I nail it or did I fail it? Thank you so much for watching. The music is in the description, and I hope to see you in my next video.